In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Amazon profile picture efficiently and effortlessly. If you've been wondering how to refresh your profile image or make your account a little more personal, you've come to the right place. So let's dive right into it. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. This is the hub where all the magic happens. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, look towards the upper right corner and you'll see the sign in option. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials if you haven't logged in already. Once you are successfully signed in, you'll want to direct your attention back to the homepage. Here you'll spot the account and lists section, which is a one-stop location for various account settings. Click on it. It's essentially like the command center for your account, where you can manage a variety of features related to your Amazon experience. Now within the account and list section, you will see the manage profiles option. This is where you will be able to make adjustments to your account profile, including changing your profile picture. Click on this option and it will guide you to a page dedicated to personal account management. As you navigate through the manage profiles section, look for the account holder option. Clicking here will lead you into the deeper settings of your account. This is where you can truly personalize your profile. Once you're viewing the account holder settings, there should be an edit your details link. This is a pivotal step in updating your Amazon profile. Clicking on this link is essentially going to open up all the personalization settings available to you as an Amazon user. After clicking edit your details, you'll now want to find the change profile photo option. This is the exact spot where you can upload a new image or swap out an existing one with ease. Simply click on the link and follow the straightforward prompts to either upload a picture from your device or choose one from a previously uploaded selection. Ensure that the image you're uploading meets Amazon's requirements in terms of size and format. Usually a JPG or PNG will do just fine. Once uploaded, confirm the change and there you have it, a fresh new profile picture ready to be showcased on Amazon. And that's it, you're all set with your updated Amazon profile picture. This simple process can make a big difference in personalizing your space on the platform, reflecting your style and helping to distinguish your account. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in and happy browsing on Amazon.